got the 85 out, or got her down a little bit. It was tossing a random timing belt light while it was idling. So looked in the inspection holes, it looked okay. It's still gonna be changed, but made just a quarter turn adjustment on the tensioner, and the light has gone out. I got other lights on, but this car's got a bad ignition switch, so it doesn't cut off when I turn the key off. I got to pull the fuel pump fuse and then kill the battery. I got some adjustments to make. The rear hatch isn't lined up right and does not shut. It latches, but it's not shut all the way. So I got to adjust that. A lot to do. You guys know as much on these cars, but I got her running. She's running really good. Idling a little high. Got to make some adjustments to the cables. I think the cables are a little loose. There's a lot of slack in them. See? I think I need to tighten those up, of course. Got to do some work on the transmission. I don't know if you guys saw that. But hey man, she's running strong, man. I'm gonna clean this thing up now. It's been up in the air so long. I got to paint the repair. Got to wash it. Not too awful bad. Got a few little issues. They put the front cover back on with no gasket, no beading. Got to fix those bumper shocks, and I'll put new beading on it. But there we are, 85.